Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. Today we are going to learn about future continuous tense. Yes, you are right. It is very simple tense and we will learn in simple way. Let's see how to make sentence in future continuous tense. What is the situation come in our life where we can use this tense? It is very simple tense. Any activity which takes place in future, it is called future tense. Generally we use will to denote future tense and we use will be and verb in the ing form to denote future continuous tense. See the structure. First we use subject in English grammar. A person who is doing the action, it is called subject, like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any name. Subject plus will be verb in the ing form. I repeat it, subject will be plus verb in the ing form. Let's see the situation. What is the situation comes in our life where we can use this tense? Activity going on at a particular time. Any activity going on at a particular time in future tense, in future time frame. Any activity or situation which will be continue or which will be going on at a particular time in future, we use for future continuous tense. Example, I will be saying more about this topic in my next video. I, subject, will be saying. Say is the first form, we use ing. I will be saying more about this topic in my next video. So don't forget to watch my next video. In my next video, I am going to tell you about more over this topic. So any activity or any video which will come next, so it will be continue for a period, particular time. We use future continuous tense. Second situation comes, future activity is the result of previous action. Any activity or any situation is the result of previous decision or previous work or previous arrangements. Let's see the example. I will be taking up his place at university in next year. Means we use subject, will be taking up, it is the verb in ing form, his place at university in next year. If I do hard work, if I do well performance this year, so I will be taking up his place at university in next year. Let's see the other situation. Will, present continuous tense. You can use future continuous tense when we want to talk about future continuous tense and in place of will or present continuous. Generally, we can use present continuous tense to denote future continuous tense. But rather than will or present continuous tense, you can use future continuous tense. This structure to tell someone future continuous tense in a more polite way. If you want to ask someone in a more polite way, use future continuous tense rather than will or present continuous tense. Let's see the example. Will you be starting work on the project today? In interrogative question, in interrogative sentences, we use will first, Then subject B, starting work in the ing form, work on the project today. Will you be starting work on the project today? This is the question, interrogative sentence, and we are using future continuous tense. Will you be starting work on the project today? It is the question, and we are asking in a more polite way to someone. Second, what time will you be coming to babysit? What time? This is WH family member. Time. What time will you be coming to babysit? It is the question. Here we are asking about what time will you be coming to babysit. So it brings me to the end of the lesson, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come up with the new lesson soon. Till then, take care. Bye.